Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Shopee Voucher error M02. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. So the first step is you have to check out without vouchers, log into your Shopee account and go to the cart section on the top right corner. Then you just need to select the product you want to check out and make sure to remove all the vouchers and then click the checkout button to proceed. The next step is you need to update to the latest version of Shopee application. If you are using an older version, make sure to up to date. The next step is you need to clear the cache or data on your mobile phone. If you are on iPhone or Android, open up settings and then you need to go for apps and here then look for the Shopee application. Once you do so, you just need to tap on that app. After that, click on storage and here you can clear data of your Shopee app. At the end, you need to reinstall Shopee application, uninstall the application on your device, and then you need to install the latest version of your Shopee application. So that's basically how you can fix Shopee Voucher error M02. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.